In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy stocks on Etoro. Now, this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, for this video, I'll be doing this on the Etoro website. However, this can also be done on the Etoro app as well, so use whichever platform you find easier because the process is pretty much the same. So the first thing you need to do is open up Etoro, and you just want to be logged into your account. Now, if you haven't already, you want to deposit some funds into your account. But since you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you've already deposited some funds into your account and you're now ready to buy some stocks. So what we will have to do from here is go to the left hand side and we want to go over to watch list. From here, this will allow us to see stocks. However, it will also allow us to search at the top for specific stocks. So let's just say we were trying to buy Nvidia. What we could do is either type in the ticker or the name of the stock, and we will actually be able to find Nvidia right here. So I can select this. And this will now take us to the Nvidia page. So here we can see an overview including the chart, analyst forecasts, and other important news and information. However, this information is more for deciding whether this is a good investment. But since we're trying to buy a stock, we've already probably gone through that process and we've already decided that we want to buy Nvidia or whatever stock you want to pick. So once you are on this page, you can simply go to the top right corner and you can click trade. So the first thing we want to do from here is actually make sure buy is selected at the top, and this will mean that we are buying this stock. From there, we can enter in how much we want to spend on this stock, and let's just say I wanted to spend $100, I would just enter in $100, which will get me 0.08 of a share. From there, we can actually add in a stop loss, and this is basically an instruction to automatically close the position if it drops a certain amount. So you don't have to enter in a stop loss, but this is kind of just to protect your investment. So since I'll be buying $100 worth of this share, if I chose $10 here, that would mean if the investment drops by 10%, it will actually sell all of our holdings and we will lose 10% of what we brought. However, as I said, this is not needed, so you can go without it if you want. And from there, we move on to leverage. Now, leverage will multiply your initial investment. However, this will amplify your profit and loss. So for newcomers, I recommend using 1x leverage. From there, you can also choose to take profit. And this is similar to a stop loss, but in the other direction. So this will basically automatically close the position if it reaches a certain amount. So in this example, I'll be buying $100 worth. So if I put this to $200, that would mean if it doubled, it would sell our position. But of course, you can also click no take profit, and you can just manually watch this position to see how it's doing. So from there, we can also choose the order type. I'm going to keep this selected as market order, which basically buys it off the market at the current price. However, you can also do a limit order, which means that you can set a price lower than what it is at now. And if it hits that price, it will then buy the stock. But I'm going to buy off the market, so I'm going to select this. And you can then click this green button here. Now, since I don't actually have any funds in my account, it's telling me to deposit. But if you did have some money available, you would be able to click buy. And that will then buy the stock under these conditions which we've set. So that's how you can buy stocks on Etoro. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.